All right, so what are all the things that you're gonna need? Let's list them. You're gonna need a PC or a laptop. Now, if you have a Mac, that's okay, but the course is gonna be demonstrated using Windows 10. Most of these things should still work on the Mac version of OBS Studio. You're gonna need a webcam, and if you don't have one, they're pretty affordable out on the market and just connect via USB. You'll need a microphone so people can hear you, of course, and if your webcam doesn't have a built-in microphone, then you can also get a decent microphone on the market that connects via USB. You'll need a stable internet connection, and preferably a wired one over Ethernet versus a wireless one. And you'll want a good upload rate for that internet connection, and we'll talk about that in a later video. And then of course, you need a goal for your content. Are you going to live stream it? Or are you going to record it and upload it? What are you going to be doing in that content? Are you sharing yourself playing a game or using a program? Are you teaching someone else how to do something? And is that something that happens in software on a PC or a lecture that needs a presentation tool? Are you demonstrating a real skill that requires the use of your webcam, like a makeup tutorial, or maybe even a second webcam to demonstrate something happening on the table in front of you? You need to know what you're going to do so that you know what to focus on when you're taking this course. And what is the destination for your content? Are you live streaming it? And to what platform? Or if you're recording and uploading it, where is that going? You've got to have that in mind so that you're ready to pick up on all the things that are necessary to do that successfully. Much of this course is going to focus on Twitch and YouTube for live streaming and YouTube for recording, but the skills that you're going to gain will be useful in any situation and on any destination that you have in mind. So gather up all of those things and write down all of those goals that you have. And in the next class, we're going to teach you how to install and begin using OBS Studio.